Hello, my name is Sherry, and I am not very good at this sort of thing, but because we had such a positive experience, I wanted to share it with you. We sold our house to W Properties about 5 years ago, and it's a house that we raised our kids in. We lived there 15 years, and then we moved out of state, but we kind of held on to the property. We rented it for a while, and then we just kept it empty and would use it to stay in when we'd come visit family. So finally our family all moved away, and we decided we'd probably go ahead and sell. So I was in town having a garage sale, selling the furniture that was in there, and we got a note left in the door, a little card from W Properties offering to buy. So I called my husband, and he said, yeah, let's give it a try. So we decided to, and I was a little apprehensive just getting a card in the door because I didn't know anything about him, but we invited him over, and he was Tyler is who we dealt with. He was very polite, very conscientious, and we gave him a tour of the place. He examined things and was very interested, so we talked about a price, and he gave us the market value for the property, and we went ahead and agreed to it. We're so glad we did, because everything went like clockwork. It was just so smooth. He had all the paperwork done up for us, and everything just, it was just an easy experience. And it was also good because we sold it to someone who we had respect for, because, it was something we kind of had a good place in our heart, so we were glad we sold to somebody who was nice. And so I think if you give them a chance, you might be surprised at how well they'll work with you. I hope that you have as good an experience as we did, because we're just really happy that that's what we chose to do. Thank you.